Hi, I'm Terence. I'm currently driving a 2013 Golf TSI MK7.
Before that, what is your arm problem? Any problem?
My lower arm bush apparently to be broken, so the handling wise is very unstable. It's a bit shaky feel, so that's why I'm looking forward for this Polymann red bush.
So now we are on the test drive after install the PU bush. Can you share with us how is your driving experience?
Handling wise is more solid, and then during cornering is more stable. Then you got more confidence for driving the car.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the most benefit of it.
Your next action?
I will start to introduce to my friends about this Polymann, and I have few other cars, because I'm currently a car dealer as well. So I will use the other car and try this Polymann red bush. I like Polymann bush, but this is my daily car, MK7. So this car is important to me. That's why safety comes first. So I'm trying the lower arm bush. So far I'm very satisfied with the handling and all.
Thank you, Terence.
I'm driving this car for like 7 years, and I've been driving cars for like almost 18 years. So I can say I'm an experienced driver. And after using the bush, especially the uneven road, it used to have the click-clock sound, which I'm comfortable. I'm not happy with it. But after using the Polymann bush, it's more stable. There's no more noise from the lower arm, and then the handling wise is really more stable. I have more confidence in it. Thank you, Polymann.